Apple said iOS 27 won't officially ship until fall, but you can get a taste of the performance and new Siri features by downloading a developer beta. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech hub. Apple has made betas available for iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, but you should know what you're getting yourself into before you move forward. Running beta software is not without risks, so it is better to back up your stuff and install the beta on a secondary device rather than your personal phone. Apple's also rolling out Siri AI in beta, which will only be available if you sign up for a waitlist. Since early developer betas are typically missing some of the new features and can impact battery life and general stability, Apple offers a more polished version of its software by a free public beta program in July or August. You can register as an Apple developer account on your iPhone or iPad. Remember that you need to be registered to access betas, and that'll cost you $99. To register on the Apple developer app, tap or click on the Account tab, log in with an Apple account that has a two-factor authentication enabled, agree to the Apple developer agreement, tap or click Enroll Now, review the benefits of the program, and tap or click Continue, enter your personal information, and verify your identity with a driver's license or some other kind of government ID. Confirm the information you entered by pressing Continue, select Individual, agree to the terms of the Apple Developer License Agreement. Tap or click Subscribe to sign up for an Apple developer account. Once you're set up, you'll use the Apple account with your Apple developer profile to download the betas onto your device. Luckily, the iOS 27 developer beta works with all the same iPhones that iOS 26 did. And that includes iPhone SE 2nd generation or later, iPhone 11 till iPhone 13 Pro Max. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.